Hey, do you like the Morning Jog series? Do you want to watch more of it? Click this link right here. It'll be more of me, more info, more news. Maybe a laugh.
Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 7:31 here on a Thursday morning in the middle of the country. It's May 20th, 2021. Happy Thursday to you. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Bitcoin is stabilizing around $40,000 a coin after the wildest day of trading in quite some time. Really, more than a year and a half since Bitcoin went through such a record plunge. It was down somewhere around 22-23% at the low, near $30,000 yesterday. It did end up closing around $40,000 and has remained stable since then. We're seeing a really big battleground in crypto right now. Of course, we tend to like to stay away from battleground investments. We tend to stay away from investments that are as volatile as Bitcoin. It'll be interesting to see if it continues to have a volatile week. My guess, probably going to settle down a little bit. Any reason? Well, the PGA Championship is starting this weekend, and I think most folks are just going to watch it, quite frankly, when you talk about the high frequency guy and hedge funders on the east. Ford priced his new electric Lightning 150 pickup, $40,000 on the low end. That's comparable to a Cybertruck. $90,000 on the high end. Why not? Folks around here roll around in Oklahoma City in $100,000 trucks. Might as well charge that to the high end of users that want to go electric but still maintain their Ford family. It's funny, you have folks here in the middle part of the country, and I feel like a lot of folks on the East Coast don't know this. Everyone in their family has a Ford. Right? Their grandfather did, their father did, and now they want to buy a Ford, but they also want to go electric. I think the Lightning's going to be a big hit. Great reviews already hitting the internet. Oatly, $1.4 billion IPO, $10 billion valuation for oat milk, pricing at $17. That's the news. 84.4 million shares. They're ADRs because it's going to be a Swedish stock. Get a price here later on this month. Jay-Z is in it. Howard Schultz is in it. Oprah's in it. Oatly. Last before we get you off to a nice Thursday, Canada had great returns last year on its pension fund. 20.4% would be a good year for any pension fund. Of course, equity markets up well across the board, and there were some base effects in there. March 31st to 31st is their fiscal year. Of course, markets had already started their downturn last year when March 31st ran around. Pretty good returns. 20% will do for most years. If you want some additional information throughout the day, feel free to follow me. As always, it's OKCCFA on Twitter. Till then, I'm out.
Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Jog. I appreciate it. If you did enjoy the video, why don't you click down here, subscribe, and you'll get to see me every day, whether you jog or not. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you have something you want to hear me talk about, we got a comment section down below. Why don't you click there, write something, and maybe we'll feature it tomorrow. Thanks.